Hello everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Pisces. Okay, you'll feel shaky because I'm recording in a very different zone because my tripod is somewhat not working out properly. That's why I'm unable to fix it. Okay, so yeah, this reading is for a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so this is a reading for the Pisces. Okay, so I'm going to take out three cards for career and three cards for relationship. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I shuffled the cards. These are three cards for career, three cards for relationship. Okay, so in your career, you are ready to move on. You are ready to take action towards your victory. Whatever happened in the past related to your career, even someone ditched you out in the cold, someone left you out in the cold when it comes to your career. If your partner cheated on you, okay, if your business got ruined, if something happened in your career, okay, and you couldn't get out in the past, you couldn't move on easily in the past. Okay, so now you are ready to move on. Now you are ready to release the past energy and you are ready for a new beginning, new life, new opportunities which is heading towards you, new opportunities related to career and financial success as well. Okay, you're ready to have an action towards your victorious life. Okay, you're ready to take a victory in your life. Within next 6 months you'll take an action towards your career life, which will bring you a lot of new abundance, opportunities, major victories in your life. Okay, also I feel in the upcoming month, in the month of August, especially in the last 10 days of August, you won't be trusting your intuition level a lot. I'm advising you trust your intuition level a lot and take decisions accordingly in your career life, in your projects, in your financial life. Okay, that will give you good advices and good results. Okay, in your relationship, before in the past you were thinking from your head space, from your heart, your you were fully involved emotionally into a relationship. But now at this point of time you are thinking from your mind. You are being very practical and logical. You are taking decisions from your head space in the month of August. Okay, there is a lot of people around you. Okay, you feel in your relationship you are really very much, either someone is obsessed of you, is either someone is possessed of you, is very possessive of you, either someone is really using you for your money, something is like that. But there is a devil energy around you. Okay, negative energy, manipulative people, sneaky energies, a lot of negativity is there in your personal life, in your relationship. Okay, something happened in the past which really took you off guard. Okay, into a situation you felt really bad, and you felt that nothing is working out into your favor, and something really happened really bad in your situation. Okay, that I can see, and that really shattered you in this lifetime. Like, that really was a turning point in your life. Okay, something happened in your life recently. Okay, okay, so the first card is that children's. Okay, so your love life has been affected by children's. Okay, so maybe there is a reason behind it. Okay, you are not giving, there are children who are affecting your love life. Okay, the people who are already in a relationship and who have children, I'm talking about them. Okay, the second is, you need to have a romantic gesture. You need to propose your person. If you are already single, or if you are dating someone, or if you are in a relationship, you need to express love. Okay, you need to have a romantic gesture for your partner. You need to express what you feel actually. Okay, you are attracted towards someone. Okay, you are really, there is someone who is really being romantically involved in you or liking you. Okay, fully you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Okay, there are people who are into separation, who are dealing either with twin flame connection. If you are dealing with the twin flame connection, a reconciliation is possible. And if you are dealing with a karmic person, please do not go for reconciliation. It's an advice, because karmic relationship are there for a reason, but only for a particular season. Okay, so that's the thing. if you are really, really pissed off in your relationship, you need to make a lot of effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Okay, so universe is guiding you. If there is someone special of you, you need to make an effort to keep that romance into your life, that person in your life. Okay, for others of you who are dealing with karmic connections, there's a deceptive energy. Someone here was wearing a false mask. Some of your partners were wearing false mask of you, and you feel that. Okay, it's not necessarily that they are deceptive, but that is your energies. Okay, that is your thinking which is going on. So someone was wearing a false mask in a relationship, and you really couldn't get it into that. So therefore that separation, that karmic connection took major changes, endings happened or separation happened. Okay, it's like that. So again, if you are dealing with a karmic connection, don't go for reconciliation. If we are dealing with a twin flame connection, go for a reconciliation at any point of time, because universe will guide you again to be in each other's life. Okay, at any cost. Let's shuffle now. What's your life purpose, guys?